Today we're going to be talking about matching content. And what we mean by matching content is, let's say you're following or you've created a collection that has both portrait and landscape artwork within it. And you may only have a portrait orientated canvas or television, or a landscape orientated canvas or television. So when you click the collection to play, by clicking matching content that I'm going to show you right now in the display options, it will only play the content that matches your canvas in particular. So we're going to come up here to the upper right in the display, and we're going to choose the display that we have our app connected to, and we're going to click the gears. Now, match content. When you click match content and you have your display orientation, let's say I'll make mine portrait, it's vertical, it will only play content that matches the portrait orientation from anywhere that you're playing art from to play on your screen. So you will not have the black bars that we really hate seeing when we're looking at fine art and beautiful art on our digital canvases. Make sure to update your display and you're all set to go.